on the perk up in my face. Faze gone on me, turn his head into a fake. Gone opposition block, just like a logo. Homie, bitch, so you know that I got
Faze.
solid shit on politics. We shoot like
I did a hair. Now I'm turned off. That was gross. Yeah. Is there a trash? Yeah, by the way, I'm a crip, but I'll wipe a nigga nose. I need you guys to know that real quick. I love you. Choppa lit, bro. I don't even know him. I didn't talk to him. That's funny as fuck, though. Blueface funny as fuck, too, I think, honestly. Get my kitchen, whip it up like Benny, huh? Fuck. Ready? 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 Yeah. 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 Yeah, bitch. Yeah. I'm a cup of tea and Goyard. Who the fuck's out my door? What are you? Bro, yeah, I'm on live. You guys come on. Bro, you can't come to my crib. Bro, you can't come into my crib. Bro, you can't come into my crib. Bro, don't come into my crib. Don't come into my crib.
We're just talking, bro.
Bro, please, I don't want to talk. Please, I'm on live. Please.
I know, but we just want to talk.
Bro, please stop. Please,
Bro, we're
please.
just here to help you. That's it.
Bro, you're stressing me out. Feel my heart rate.
We're literally here just to talk to you. We just want to talk.
Please sleep. I'm not your little brother, bro.
No, but you are.
No.
I'm not saying you're my little brother.
You just said my little brother wants to talk.
I said brother to brother.
Oh, yeah, but I'm trying to talk to nobody.
All right, well, let's just talk for a little.
Bro, what the
Just
fuck?
like-
Text me. Just text me.
No,
Bro,
you're on live, so you can't.
bro, get the fuck out of here. I'll call the police, bro.
And what?
Please. Come on, bro.
Bro, what are you doing?
Bro, we just need to talk to you.
Bro, I'm having to, like, why are you doing this?
We just need to talk to you. That's it.
Bro, why y'all pulling up on me and
Because
shit?
we're here to help, bro. We
The
just wanna
fuck's
help
wrong
you.
with y'all?
We want to help
What do
you.
you mean? Fuck's wrong? Like, why y'all pulling up on me? Like,
Bro,
what
do
the
you-
fuck?
Bro, we're literally.
And like, you forced your way in. No
Bro,
respect.
Bro, everyone is worried about you.
I don't care if you're worried, bro. I'm a grown man. I'm
That doesn't
24.
matter.
Yes,
No,
it does.
It doesn't, bro.
What you're doing is not
This is
cool.
not.
What am I doing?
This isn't cool.
Bro,
Getting
you're-
faking shit every
bro,
single day is cool.
What?
Faking
that's-
videos
that's-
every day is cool.
That's not even a part of this, bro. You're showing drugs to kids.
All right, I'm done with that. I'm sorry.
No, but you're not done with that.
Kids, I don't have kid fans. I haven't had fans in years.
You don't have kid fans?
I do not have kid
You don't
fans.
have fans that are under the age of 18.
Norton.
Man, a couple,
Get
bro.
the fuck off live, bro. Let's
Bro,
get the
yeah, I have to now. It's my phone.
Let's get the fuck
Fuck out of here, bro.